Hi everybody, how are you? I wanted to go through the targeted practice for the triangles that we had as an assignment for you. So I wanted to kind of go through it and explain each of these questions because I noticed that we had a little bit of struggling here and I wanted to help as best I possibly can. So let's look at the first question. A polygon has four sides. Sorry, I'm just getting my pen on the back here. All right, I'm back. A polygon has four sides of equal length. Which of these polygons could it be? Now, remember, a polygon has four sides. Four sides. So it has to be a shape that has four sides. So let's look. Does a triangle have four sides? No, a triangle does not have four sides. Okay, because a triangle only has three sides. What about a trapezoid? Well, if you go back and think about it, a trapezoid looks like this. Okay, this is what a trapezoid looks like. So yes, it does have four sides, but are they all equal in length? Well, the answer would be no, right? Because this bottom line here is much longer than this line up here. So this would not be equal length. Then we have a square. Okay, we know a square is exactly the same on all four sides with angles that are all equal. So yes, I think that would definitely be the correct answer. And then a rhombus, okay, let's see if I could draw a rhombus. It's going to be a challenge, but it looks like that sort of. So it's almost like a square, and if we just kind of tilted it to the side, so yes, this one would also be four equal sides. So we would click for this one, square and rhombus, okay? Next one, look at the triangle below. Which angle is the right angle? Okay, so I want to pay close attention to this triangle. You are looking to find the right angle. What is the right angle worth? 90 degrees, okay? We know it's a perfect right angle. That is how you identify it. So using that knowledge, I look over here, okay? I could say A, no, A is not a perfect right angle, right? It is an acute angle is less than 90. Look at angle B. Definitely not a right angle. It's less than 90. How about angle C? Yes, this is absolutely a right angle. Now, how do we classify angle C? Well, it's going to be the letter has to be in the middle. So, for example, if you're speaking of angle C, you would say angle ACB, okay? Meaning angle C would be where the right angle was. ACB, okay? ACB. Or you would say angle BCA. Again, C is in the middle, BCA. That's how we know that this is the right angle with C in the middle, okay? Click that one. Click submit. Correct. All right. Again, polygon, four right angles. Which of these polygons should it be? Okay, well, let's think about it. We have a rectangle. There we go. Has four right angles. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so the yes for rectangle. Circle, obviously not. It has no angles. A square. Okay, let's look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, it would be a square. And a trapezoid, as we said before, absolutely not. It has no right angles. Okay, so for this one, we would say square and rectangle. All right. Is this triangle a right, acute, or obtuse? Okay, this is tough, right? All right, so let's take a look at it. First of all, if I'm looking at angle A, now what I'm doing here is I would take a piece of paper and I'd stick it into angle A to see if it was a perfect right angle. Well, it's actually not. It's a little bit greater than a right angle, okay? So this is more than a right angle. So I would say that this is probably like 92 degrees, okay? So that would tell me that this is an obtuse triangle because it has at least one angle greater than 90 degrees. Okay? All right, let's look. I have four sides. I have only one set of parallel lines. What shape am I? Let's think about it. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are lines that run across that never meet, right? They can go this way, they can go that way. It doesn't matter, but they will never meet. So let's take a look at these shapes. First of all, 4 sides. Well, it looks like they all have 4 sides. And I only have one set of parallel lines. Okay, that's the clue. One set of parallel lines. All right. So I'm going to take a look here. Now, a rectangle has this set of parallel lines and this set of parallel lines. So it has 2 sets, so I would not count that. Same with the square. These are parallel, these are parallel. Okay, so I wouldn't count that. Let's look at the rhombus. These are parallel, these are parallel, so definitely not count that. Parallelogram. These are parallel, these are parallel. Okay, no. The kite, these are intersecting lines, and these are intersecting. So that's a definite no. And that leaves us with a trapezoid. Okay, so with a trapezoid, your set of parallel lines are here and here. Okay, so yes, it does. It has one set, and it has parallel lines. Okay, which of the statements below is true? Select all that apply. All 3 angles are acute, meaning all 3 angles are less than 90. Remember, acute is less than 90. Less than 90. 2 of the 3 angles are acute, and all 3 angles are obtuse. Obtuse, greater than 90. Okay, so let's look at that. So if I'm looking at this triangle, each one of these angles is less than 90 degrees. Each one is less. So that means they are all acute, all 3 angles. So I would say A for this one. Okay, I have 4 sides, but not all 4 are equal in length. All 4 of my angles are right angles. I have 2 pairs of parallel lines. What am I? Okay, I have 4 sides, but not all 4 are equal in length. So that tells me it cannot be a square, right? Because a square has 4 sides, but they're all equal in length. So I know it can't be a square. All 4 of my angles are right angles. Okay, so if I start thinking about this, I start thinking that this could be a rectangle because I have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 right angles, check, check, check. And then I also have 2 pairs of parallel lines. One is here and one is here. Okay, so a rectangle would be my answer. Next one, a polygon has no right angles. Which of these polygons could it be? Okay, no right angles. So no, oops, it's 90. Nothing would equal 90 degrees. So we know already that a rectangle has all 4 right angles, so we know it would not be a rectangle. A rhombus, we know that's a square that's turned on its side, kind of like that. Does not have any right angles, none. Okay, so that's definitely an option. A square we know has 4 right angles, so it would not be that. And a trapezoid we know also has no right angles. So if I was doing this problem, I would say, okay, a rhombus and a trapezoid would be my answer. Okay, look below at the triangle. Which angle is right? Now remember, I told you guys if you are classifying an angle, the middle of your angle classification would be the angle that you're speaking about. So if I want to talk about the right angle here, I would say angle CBA, or I could also say it the other way, angle ABC. As long as I have B in the center, that tells me that that's the right angle. So I'd click that. Okay. Next one, which of the statements below are true? Select all that apply. So again, there might be more than one right answer here. Okay, angle angle ACB is obtuse. ACB. This angle right here is what we're looking at. Well, if I look at that and I stick my piece of paper in there, I can absolutely tell that this angle is greater than 90, because if it was 90, it would fall right here. So that is correct. Let's look at the next one. Angle CBA. Angle CBA. So that is here. CBA. So that's here. Okay, this angle. This angle is not obtuse. It is less than 90. It is an acute angle. And then angle BAC. So I'm looking at this angle right here. This is also an acute angle, right, because it's less than 90. So I would also say A and C would be correct. Yay, I got 100%. Hooray! Hopefully this helped you work through the triangle questions. If you have any questions, please just send me an email and I will walk you through. All right? We can get through this together. You guys are doing a great job. Keep it up.